Hey guys, it's Athena. Today I'm going to be doing a look that's really simple from the Modern Renaissance palette. It's actually the simplest look that you could probably do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with a concealer base. And I'm going to start off with my lightest color, the white up in the top corner, and I'm going to be covering my eyes with that. The whole eyelid. Next, I'm going to be going into the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going into the color Tempera, which is this one right here. My mirror was glaring, to cover my base on my bottom and top lids. Okay, after you're finished packing Tempera in all over your eyelid, go into the next shade over, which is Golden Ochre, and focus it on your outer corner. So that's what I'm going to be doing on both sides, here in my face. It doesn't really matter how much you put, it doesn't have to be concise, which is what's so easy about this look. It looks good with any amount, you can just blend it out. And then start blending it into the center. When you think that the outer corner is dark enough. What that looks like. And take it under your under eyelid as well. Blend it down here. Okay, the next color we're going to be going into is Burnt Orange. And since the Modern Renaissance palette picks up really well, be careful with how much you put on your brush. You can add more later, but you don't want to have too much. Okay, and after you've got your burnt orange blended into your outer corner, go in with Raw Sienna and be light with it as well, and blend it in over top of it on the outer corner, just to finish it off and to make it a tiny bit darker. And just focus on the outer corner and a tiny bit into the crease on both sides. And as you can see, it does not take much at all. The Modern Renaissance palette is really good for pickup, in my opinion. Okay, and now once you've got that done, just take this same one that you started with, Tempera, to blend out some of the edges. You can use the same brush, because I do. It doesn't matter. Just to make sure that it's well blended and looks smooth. And after that, just highlight your inner corner and brow bone, which I'm going to use Primavera for. And sometimes I use a mixture of Vermeer and Primavera. Oh, you can't see. Vermeer and Primavera, like that, if I want a really bright inner corner. And I'm also going to do my brow bone in the same thing. Okay, and now that you've finished, after you're finished with the highlight, just add some of your favorite mascara. I'm adding Volume Lash Blast or something. Bombshell Volume Lash Blast. I can never remember the name of it. And this is like a very light look. You can add eyeliner if you wish. You can add falsies. But what I'm doing is I'm just going to add some mascara. And then that's it for mine. because I want this to be a very light look. Just like a everyday, you know, makeup kind of look. I just poked myself in the eye. So fun. Okay. And I'm just going to leave it like this. You can also add some lip gloss, but this is how I'm going to leave it. And this is the final look. See you guys later. Bye guys.